If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste. Idli is very much loved by people who are health conscious or diet conscious. Why not? Idlis are light and easily digestible, even good for sick and kids. And today I will show you how to make even healthier idli that are made with oats. Along with this idli, learn to make instant coconut chutney. Please note the ingredients needed to make oats idli. List is also given in description below. First of all, take oats and dry roast them on medium heat till they are slightly golden in color. And see, these are quick cooking oats or rolled oats. Keep stirring constantly. When done, keep aside. Also, we need to dry roast semolina or suji. Remove when slightly golden in color. Let roasted oats and roasted semolina cool down. Meanwhile, let's prepare tempering for idli. For that, heat oil or tel on medium heat. Add in grated ginger or kaddukas kiya hua adrak. Fry it till it turns slightly golden. Add in mustard seeds or sarson ke dane. Split Bengal gram or chana dal. Some curry leaves or curry patta. And fry these on medium heat until the Bengal gram turns little golden. Keep aside. So here oats and semolina have cooled down. Make coarse powder out of these oats. To it add in semolina or suji that was roasted, some salt or namak, and the tempering that we prepared. And to make a batter, some yogurt or dahi. So I had thick yogurt or Greek yogurt. So I will need to add little extra water to make a batter. So use water accordingly. Mix all the ingredients well and a thick batter would be formed now like this. Keep aside. Let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes it looks like this. Add in little baking soda or meetha soda. Mix and you would notice that the batter has thickened up in those 15 minutes. Add some lemon juice or neembu ka ras. Mix. Soda and lemon juice would react and provide aeration to this batter. Add in some water to make it manageable and it should look like this. Grease idli plates with some oil or ghee and pour in the prepared batter. Tap the plates once or twice so that the batter is settled well. Stack the plates and remember to set the steamer on medium heat while you prepare these plates. When sufficient steam is formed, very carefully open it and place the prepared stacked idli plates inside. Close the lid and let these idlis steam cook on medium heat for about 15 to 18 minutes. After which, very carefully open the idli cooker and remove the idli plates. Remove using a spoon and see, delicious, healthy oats idli are ready in under 30 minutes. And how soft and spongy they are. Enjoy them with this instant coconut chutney. For that, take dry coconut powder or सूखा नारियल का powder and dry roasted chickpea or bhuna chana. Soak in 1 cup of warm water. After about 15 minutes, grind them in a mixie. Add in some fresh cilantro or hara dhania, green chilli or hari mirch, curry leaves, salt or namak to taste, and some lemon juice or neembu ka ras, that too according to taste. And we have instant chutney ready. Enjoy these oats idli and this instant chutney any day, anytime. Serve for your breakfast or a mini meal. Even pack these idlis for your lunch boxes. They taste good, whether warm or cold. Thanks for watching.